Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best folding camping chair that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Coleman Camping Chair with built-in fork and cooler. This Coleman camping chair is a bargain hunter's dream. And to top it off, we found it impressively comfortable. At 24 inches wide, it provides a roomier seat than the smaller backpacking options we've reviewed. It also has a taller seat height and a more upright back, which makes getting in and out easier. Adding a unique touch, the handy built-in cooler is insulated to keep your beverages or snacks chilled and can fit up to 4 8-ounce cans. A carry bag is included, but you wouldn't want to haul this for long distances, and the steel frame can rust if left out in the rain. But for hanging in the backyard, sitting on the sidelines, or car camping, this portable chair it's a solid option. It's spacious enough to accommodate most campers, and it's simple to fold up and carry. If you've been tempted by those ultra-cheap $15, $20 camp chair models beckoning on the internet, trust us. The additional cash is worth it. The Coleman's steel frame and burly fabric will outlast its flimsier competition by years, and it's hard to argue with a built-in cooler in the armrest. What complaints do we have about the Coleman oversized quad? At this price, it doesn't feel quite as comfortable or confidence-inspiring as the Alps King Kong above, and the materials are good. We think the Coleman outperforms its price tag and offers more than enough camp chairs for most people and uses. For a more premium alternative with a similar design. Number 2, GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Rocking Chair. The GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro is a simple chair that offers solid performance for less than you might expect. It has a fairly tall seat and back to match widely splayed arms, offering plenty of space to sit high above the ground. It's not the most supportive seat we tested, but it's above average among its competition, leaving slouchy folding sports chairs in the dust when it comes to supporting your full weight. The angled back continues that level of support without making you feel like you're collapsing in on yourself the longer you sit. A mesh panel helps keep air flowing across the spine even on a hot day, while a single cup holder perfectly fits your favorite refreshing 12-ounce canned beverage. If you have an oversized tumbler you like to drink from, there's nowhere to stash it on the Comfort Pro. Additionally, there are no large pockets for snacks, books, or magazines, just a single small pocket that's sized to hold your smartphone. With full-length crossed steel bars running the entire back of the chair, this chair becomes a rather long package, made slightly more awkward by its carry strap's lack of adjustability. And for those with shorter legs, the 20-inch high front edge may lead to dangling feet. But if you're taller, larger, or older and want a supportive seat that's easy to get out of, this budget-friendly option easily fits the bill. Strap's lack of adjustability. And for those with shorter legs, the 20-inch high front edge may lead to dangling feet. But if you're taller, larger, or older and want a supportive seat that's easy to get out of, this budget-friendly option easily fits the bill. Number 3, Kijiro Dual Lock Portable Camping Chairs. Enjoy. As one of the more traditional armchairs on this list, it makes sense why this winner was chosen as best folding chair. At a reasonable price for this high-quality product, you can rest assured that your next camping experience will be more comfortable than ever, thanks to this chair's breathable polyester design. Not to mention the extra features that come with this option, such as cup holders and side organizers to hold your phone and keys. Our testers described it as a solid camp chair that would be comfy and last a while. Though the bag was a bit heavy to carry over the shoulder, our testers felt that the additional weight was worth it due to the Kijiro's stability and overall value. I'd recommend this to car campers especially, or anyone who generally needs a reliable folding chair, our tester stated. It has lots of pockets, it's comfy and sturdy. And at this price, we'd call this chair an excellent value. Thoughtful features like a zippered pocket for securing valuables, a mesh cell phone pouch, and 2 cup holders make the Kijiro exceptionally convenient for everything from tailgates to beach days. It's available in 11 colors, many of which are unique in the outdoor product space. The chair comes with a carrying bag but also has a shoulder strap attached directly to its frame in case you want to ditch the sack. Number 4, Amazon Basics Portable Folding Camping Chair. If you're looking for an affordable option, the Amazon Basics camping chair is a sound choice. The Amazon Basics chair is simple but unique due to its insulated cooler pocket that keeps up to 3 beverages and ice conveniently close at hand. It also has a single cup holder and a large pocket to hold a book, phone, or other small items. This chair comes in 3 style options, including a padded XL version that will comfortably accommodate a variety of body shapes. While the 2 padded models are generally a bit more comfortable, the mesh version is a bit more breathable, quick drying. The Coleman Cooler Quad is similar to the Amazon Basics chair, so you might consider buying whichever chair is on sale. That said, we prefer the armrests on Amazon Basics because they're more secure. The chair and matching roll-up tote come in 3 rustic color schemes. The Kelty's polyester seat cover manages to meld a cloud-like cushion with a supportive feel that's kind to your back after a long day of roughing it. Adjustable armrests are equipped with insulated cup holders that can be expanded to fit massive water bottles and oversized mugs. No one was surprised to see this chair pass our durability test with flying colors. While one tall tester was skeptical of its low height, they were blown away after settling into this slightly reclined chair and reported that its dimensions are perfect for stretching your legs out on the ground. If you're willing to try something a bit unique. Number 5 Alps Mountaineering King Kong Chair. I think this would be a buy once situation, our tester claimed after doing extensive tests on this chair's durability. After drop tests, usage, and more, the Alps Mountaineering King Kong chair reigned as the most durable chair of the bunch. Built with powder-coated steel framework and heavy-duty polyester fabric, this foldable design was made for the long haul. Not only is the fabric super strong, but this chair can hold the most weight out of any of the chairs on this list, with a capacity of up to 800 pounds. However, understandably, our testers did feel that the chair was heavy to carry in its sheath. Luckily, it does come with backpack straps so you can carry the chair a little more easily, but our testers thought that it may be uncomfortable to carry for too long. There are 2 hanging pockets off of each armrest, and the uppermost section on the backside of the chair back has a full-width hanging mesh pocket for miscellaneous stashes. With an adjustable fit, the angles of the arms can be tinkered with via 2 buckles. A powder-coated steel frame and 600 denier polyester fabric make the chair stout against wear and tear. When we sit in this chair, it's one of the most supportive, stiff options out there, which is great if your back is achy or for folks who prefer an upright brace. The King Kong chair back is also relatively high, and we really appreciate that extra backing when we're feeling. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.